get my hair braided tomorrow, y'all, and I'm like kind of nervous. I am not going to the same person I usually go to because I waited last minute to decide I wanted my hair braided, and because I waited last minute to decide I wanted my hair braided, she's booked up, okay? Lashana has been doing my hair for braids like since we were like, actually since I was like in middle school. I remember her doing my hair in middle school. I love her braids like so much. And like, you know, you go in the chair, you like confident, you know what your hair gonna look like. Going to the Africans tomorrow, the African braid shop to get some knotless. I know that they're gonna look nice. I know that they're probably not gonna look as crisp as Kashana's, but it's my fault. Waited till the last minute to decide I want to braid, so had to go with the quickest availability and what was available because we leave next week, and little old me waiting too late. That's what I got to deal with. So before I actually go get my hair braided tomorrow, I actually needed to stop by Target and Ulta to pick up some toiletries just so that we can go ahead and pack our bags in advance. So that is what we're going to do. Hey y'all, so this is like not the perfect setup, but trying to popcorn from Auntie Tab. This is actually my first time getting a hand on any of her like popcorn. I tried a lot of her like cream cheese spreads when it came out last year, but I did not get my hands on any of the popcorn. This is the roasted garlic parmesan. Let me tell you, it has some garlic up here, honey. In all her videos, she'd be like, and garlic powder? I'm like, yes. It's garlicky and cheesy. It's good. It's definitely seasoned really, really well. And was it only $2.99? I'm not 100% sure. It was not expensive at all, especially coming out of Target. I love Target, y'all. But let's be honest, Target is a little bit expensive compared to Walmart. For real, for real. Some people don't like going to Walmart all the time. I don't like going to Target all the time. But honey, that, what is it, drive up, pull up? Whole truck full from Walmart. I guess some people, they're like, they don't mind spending a little extra for the Target experience. I be trying to save a coin. Good morning. It is Saturday, June 8th, actually. Already showered. Have not eaten breakfast, but I'm definitely gonna do that. Showered, wash your face, brush my teeth, all that good stuff. This is how I slept last night, but I'm going to freshen this up real quick. Get the tangles out, because you know how that goes sometimes. I actually think I'm gonna take the blow dryer and go through my hair and just let it breathe. Let's do that. Alright, we are good. Just gonna let it kind of just go just like this. I'm literally not getting out of my car, so it's fine, y'all. Just pray for these edges. Pray for these edges in my tender head today. My appointment is only supposed to last like 5 hours and they're small knotless. And when my sister went, they finished in around like 4. So I don't have on any like fancy clothing because you know when you get your hair braided, it's like a lot of hair everywhere sometimes and then you have to get it dipped. So So after I got home from the African braid shop, I of course had to go in the mirror and inspect the braids, and I was actually not disappointed. Of course, I knew it was not going to be like breaking the charts or like a 10 out of 10, but I actually was not mad at these braids at all. So I'll actually come back to you all tomorrow to give you a full review, but I just wanted to show you all my nighttime routine for these braids, especially while they are looking pretty fresh. Overnight, I think that scarf really did well. My ends have like a slight curl to them, which I'm like kind of fine with. It'll fall out, not pressed about it, but they're looking pretty good. When she put like edge control on my edges, she didn't necessarily do any like baby hairs or swoop de doo. She just like put it up there and laid it down. After like tying my hair down, I didn't see any like more white residue, so that's pretty good. But I'm just gonna have it back. It is like almost 90 degrees outside, so I think this is like gonna be okay, because we do have a few more ends, y'all. When I tell you this vacation prep and everything that you have to do to get ready for vacation, it's pretty crazy. But I have very long eyebrows, so I'm just brushing them. I need to make sure I bring a spoolie. Usually when I am going places, I'm wearing my natural hair and I usually have a comb, and I just take the comb and comb my eyebrows, but I need to like throw this on the bed so that like I don't forget to pack it, and I'm gonna do that now. So we also had to run by the outlets really quickly to find some sandals for our trip. Meanwhile, you all, it was actually very hot outside, so we really didn't get a whole lot of footage of our shopping around, but we had snacks in the car because that's usually what we do. We always bring our snacks with us just to make sure that we are nourished in this heat. All right, y'all, it is time to pack all of these snacks, okay? Ooh, hold on. Okay, no judgment zone, okay? So, of course, some of these snacks are for the plane, but with us being vegan, these are kind of like, just in case you really get hungry, we got some food. So, here's what we're gonna do. We have these like really big Ziploc bags from IKEA. Probably gonna go for the largest one, which I think is this green one. I really wish it was clear, but getting the food is more important. I actually think this one might be too large. I think this one is more doable. It looks more, is this a gallon? This is like 5 quarts. The reason we don't have any chips, I think Stefan is gonna sneak some chips into his, by the way. But the reason I don't have any chips is because when you talk about like putting things like in your carry-on, you want it to look as flat as possible so it's not super bulky. So let's see how tight we can get this packed. And here we go. And as you all can see, it is not super thick. It's pretty like compact. As thing though, I actually like to put like a trash bag inside of there just to separate my wrapper. And you just stick it right in the Ziploc bag, just like that.